How to hide or remove suggested channels on WhatsApp. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide channels on WhatsApp. So if you're tired of seeing random or inappropriate suggested channels, this video is for you. Stick around and I'll walk you through it step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, head over to the Updates tab. That's where you'll find your status and channel updates. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the Channels section. You'll notice a list of suggested channels that WhatsApp recommends for you. Now, there are two ways to hide them. Option 1. If you just want to hide a specific channel, tap and hold, or long press, on that channel. You'll see an eye icon appear at the top right corner of your screen. Tap that icon and boom, that channel is now hidden. Keep in mind, this method only works for one channel at a time. You can't hide them all at once using this option. So here's option 2. If you want to hide all channels at once, tap the small drop-up arrow on the right side of the Channels section. This instantly hides every channel from view, and if you ever want to see them again, just tap that same arrow. They'll pop right back up. That's it. This is the latest working method to hide WhatsApp channels, and I'll keep you updated if anything changes in the future. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more quick WhatsApp tips.